everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering how can you manifest for someone else, maybe you want to manifest for your children to graduate, to do better. Maybe you want to manifest for your husband or a family member or just a friend. Whatever it is, I'm going to show you a simple way of manifesting for someone else using this one simple technique. Now listen, the only thing I'm asking for you to do is to watch this video all the way to the end and support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know how to manifest using one simple technique for other people, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, why this video? I get so many people that are writing me saying, Yvette, how can I manifest for my children? How can I manifest for my children to pass a test or get on the right track? Maybe you're manifesting for your spouse to get a better job or a family member. Whatever it is, I get these comments all the time, and I decided to do this video. Now, this is one technique that I'm going over, and it only takes a few seconds, you guys. So please watch the video all the way to the end. Now, here's my first tip. When you are manifesting for someone else, you are basically sending out positive energy. And that positive energy boomerangs back towards you, either by someone else manifesting for you or thinking positive thoughts for you, or just by your own karma. You sending out blessings for other people and it's coming back. It is just that simple. One way or another, you're going to be blessed when you're trying to manifest something positive for someone else. Now, what law of attraction technique that I am recommending for you to do to manifest for other people? And that would be visualization. Why visualization? It is quick. You can do it anywhere. And the energy that you're going to build up for that person is going to be unbelievable. So now when I tell you visualization, I'm going to actually give you some simple examples of what you can do. And listen, it is effective and one of the best ways to manifest for other people. Now, tip number 2, be careful of your own emotions when you are trying to manifest for someone else. I don't want you to do this when you are down and out and, oh, Lord, help me. Oh, she's just going down the wrong track. Oh, my God. He'll never pass his exam, Yvette. What do I do? I don't want you manifesting for anyone in that state of mind. I need you to do this when you are happy, when you are thinking about your child or your husband or that job interview he's going on. I need you to think at that moment when you are filled with energy to think about what it is you want. Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to do this with a mind movie, and you can come up with whatever mind movie that suits or fits the situation that you're trying to accomplish. So now, if it is your child and you want your child to pass college, okay, or high school, your visualization is going to be you seeing your child graduating, okay? You seeing your child happy. Now, how would I do that? I would do it more of the congratulations technique, which I talk about all the time. This would be you congratulating your son or your daughter or your husband for whatever it is that they accomplished. So if it's your son and he just graduated from college, it would be, congratulations, Bobby. I can't believe you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it with flying colors. Listen, you are basically the best. And I want you to see his face smiling, happy, saying, oh my God, Mom, I did it. Mom, I did it. And you replying back to your son, listen, congratulations. Now, when you do this, I need you to put that energy in there. How would you feel if your son just graduated? If your husband just got his new promotion? How would you feel? Would you and your husband hug and go running down the block or go out to dinner? Would you and your son just get the biggest hug? Whatever it is, I need that energy, those emotions to be in there. Now, if you're trying to manifest for a loved one, the energy is basically already there because you're trying to do this for them. So it's important to you, or you wouldn't be trying to do it at all. When you are manifesting for someone else, it's all about emotions. It's all about seeing whatever it is that you want. And listen, this actually works. It works so fast, you'll be amazed. Now, you can even do baby steps. If your child is in college, you can even see your child saying, Mom, I did it. Mom, I did it. Mom, I did it and I passed with flying colors. Mom, oh my God, I can't believe this is working so well for me. These are little mind movies that you can do. Now, hint for this. If you continue to play out this mind movie, it's going to lead to graduation. Mom, I did it. I can't believe I did it. Oh my God, Mom, it just went so well. What can go wrong? Okay, you guys? Your son is saying, Mom, I did it. Everything went well. I can't believe I just did it. That can be for passing a test. That could be passing a semester. That could be passing college, period. Same as your husband. Your husband, hey dear, look, I can't believe I did it. They gave me the position. I can't believe they did not give it to the other person. Listen, I am so shocked, but we're going to celebrate tonight. Ha ha. If it's anyone in your family, a friend, a colleague, whoever it is that you have concerns about, you can use this congratulation technique for anyone, okay? The main thing is, I told you before, keep those negative emotions away. And then once you do this, here's tip, again, let it go, okay? I cannot say this enough. When you put something out to the universe, to God, once it is done, let it go. Say, God, I give this to you. I trust and I let go. It is just that simple, everyone. Now, as an extra tip, you guys, before I get ready to go, if you're feeling like things are not working well and you just feel down and out, please elevate your emotions and your vibration by playing some music, talking to someone that is friendly, that you love to talk to, someone that's going to lift your spirits. We all got that one person we can talk to and laugh on the phone with. We got that music that we can play to bring up our emotions, to get to the point where we can visualize whatever it is that we want. When you are trying to manifest for someone else, it is just that simple, but the main power, the power that's going to get you there is the energy, the feelings, the emotions within. So now listen, you guys, I just gave you guys a simple way to manifest for your loved ones. All I'm asking for you to do, again, is to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but again, most of all, everyone, keep watching my videos. Join me every Sunday morning for live stream where you can commune with people all over the world just like you. If you like this Next Millionaire t-shirt, it is in the description. Again, everyone, namaste.